So our next cha-cha pattern is called outside partner. And the idea is we're starting our cha-cha the same way with the cha-cha basic. Man steps left foot side, lady steps right foot side. One, we go into a rock, step, and we step cha, cha, cha. Now, instead of a basic where I'm stepping left foot forward, I step on a diagonal, and the lady steps right foot back in the diagonal. So we go rock, step. And now cha, cha, cha. Here we introduce for the man to step right foot forward, the lady left foot back. And rock, step. So cha, 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 man left foot forward, and cha, 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 right foot forward. So ladies, right foot back, and cha, 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 left foot back. Cha, cha, cha. So we'll show from the beginning. We're starting with the basic, side, rock, step, and cha, 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 outside partner one, cha, 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 outside partner two, cha, 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 outside partner three, cha, 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 rock, step, and cha, cha, cha.